I just erasing the extra dark line. You know, this is very important. When you start the color, you should erasing the extra line. That is help you lots to. Okay, I erasing this extra line, and it is help me.
Sir, will we outline this?
Yes, you can go ahead the outline also.
Sir, when will you outline?
Mm-hmm.
Sir, you are coloring without outlining.
Not making outline this drawing. Uh,
Sir, but we have to outline.
no need outline also. If you are with the color, I do the outline with the color. See, this is the outline. I put color. Then it's look like a realistic. Otherwise, it's not coming realistic. If you are put the outline in cartoon drawing, when I show the cartoon drawing, then I use outline because cartoon drawing looks nice with the outline. But the realistic drawing, usually realistic life, we have a not any outline, right? Isn't it? And really, in my hand side is not outline. Okay, so it's for the cartoon you can see. So that's why cartoon drawing I using. So this drawing we are not using real. So here make this only leave here a white part. Okay, in this make it the white. This that much is the white. Up and down you can leave the white. This is French ultramarine color. Okay. So I just use the Prussian blue. This is dark blue on it, but it's not much dark. But still, I'm not directly using black, so I'm using the little dark blue. Prussian blue is called the darkened blue, but here is not. I see that much. Here in brown, you can put brown. Actually, big color is a white, but you can see little brown shades. Little brown shades you can see in. So I just create the eyes. I using my small pencil. This part also should be dark color.
Sir, can you get your hand aside?
Yeah, I 2 minutes. I just first sitting. My this pencil is a museum. It's so small, but it's very nice. The dark pencil. So I that's why my hand is coming in drawing. Don't worry. Consider a little bit of. I make with my small pencil darken line. Here I can make this. Okay, here I can make this the feather like this. Okay.
Sir, I learned
Yes, beta. Tell me.
that I don't know how to draw the eyes correctly.
Eyes.
Yes.
Yeah, eyes is simple. I show this eyes is like this. Oval. Inside the oval, it's a one more line, and here is some highlights. So draw first this one, and then this one. Okay. This is the eyes, and outside in the eyes, this is a white spot, some white spot like this. Okay, like this two white spots over here. So this is the eyes. I just see, just seconds, 1 second. Okay, this is yeah, this is looks good. Make it this line nicely, huh? This is good. Okay. We are using this. Here I can put this yellow ochre. And the brown. Now can do this. Okay, how to draw the realistic birds? It's look realistic, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, I want to share the realistic look in birds so you can enjoy this bird's realistic look. Something green also I can use over here. Something little green color. How create this drawing, your drawing as realistic. This is the way make the realistic painting. Wow, this is amazing. We can create something.
Sir, I done.
Done, beta? That's good.
Sir, we can also draw some clouds.
Yeah, I can draw some clouds. This looks good. Make some clouds here and there.